So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can send the larger files over your Gmail. Now because you know that it has a specific limit, when you cross that particular limit you are not able to send those files over Gmail. Now in order to fix that, just simply, for example, if I start composing an email, if I directly go over there and hit attach a file, if it goes above the limits it will warn me. But here you can see another icon, that is insert files using drive. All you need to do is to just simply press over here, and here all you need to do is to just simply, under this section of upload, go over there. First of all, upload that particular file over here. Now once you do that, once you upload the file here, it will first of all upload to your Google Drive. Then you can share and attach that particular file and send it using email to anyone that you want. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.